Internet connection methods. There are generally two types of ways through which internet connections can be connected. Requirement for connecting to the internet depends on the type of internet connection you have. There are basically two types of internet connection which is available. First one, it's called as dial-up connection. Second types of internet connection method is called leased line connection. So first we will do dial-up connection. What do you understand by dial-up connection? Dial-up connection means it is level 2 connection. A dial-up connection requires a modem, a telephone line, and an internet service provider. So there are three requirements for dial-up connection. How dial-up connection can be connected? The requirement for it is you should require an internet service provider. Maybe, for example, different types of internet service providers are in India: Jio, Vodafone, BSNL, Airtel. These are some examples of companies who are providing internet. So they are known as internet service provider. So requirement for dial-up connection is you can get a dial-up connection through a modem, an internet service provider, and a telephone line. If three things are available, you can connect internet through dial-up connection. A dial-up connection requires a modem, telephone line, and an internet service provider. In networking program is used to connect to the ISP by dialing the phone via modem. So here internet service provider is a modem is connected through the laptops or a computers. Modems are playing an important role in connecting through internet. Dial-up access is really just like a telephone connection. It uses analog telephone lines. Username and password is used to logging to the account, and then a PPP connection is established to connect to the internet. So here, as we know, there are three requirements how dial-up connection can be available. You require a telephone line that may be of any companies, example Vodafone, example Reliance, example BSNL. These all are the examples of internet service provider. So when you take an internet connection of any internet service provider, you require a modem which is used for connecting to the internet. So dial-up connection, it is generally being used by households, but it requires a username and password is used to log into the account, and then a PPP connection is established. So you require a password and a username for connecting to the internet. Encoding and decoding of analog signals is done by modem. So modem is playing an important role in encoding and decoding of different analog signals. Its speed is only 56 kbps. So here it is a limitation of dial-up connection that its speed will be only up to 56 kbps. Kbps means kilobyte per second. Dial-up connection uses either of the following protocols. So which kind of protocols is being used means protocols is something in a structured manner. It's a system through which a internet can be connected. So protocols are general guidelines on the basis of which you can follow those things and get connected to the internet. Two types of dial-up network protocols are point-to-point protocols, second serial line internet protocol. Dial-up connections advantage are low cost, safety and availability. So different advantage uses of dial-up connection method is low cost, safe, and it is widely available. Dial-up connection disadvantage are low speed, requires phone line, routes are generally busy. So these are the limitations of dial-up connection. Low speed, requires phone line, routes are generally busy. So in diagram you can see there is a computer is connected to modem. Again, modem is connected through an internet service provider. It is connected to an internet. So as you can see in the diagram, a computer is connected. So if you require a dial-up network in your computer or laptop, you require a modem, an internet service provider. Then you can get a dial-up connection. Now second type of method is leased line connection. Leased line connection is known as direct internet access or level 3 connection. Leased line method is used to send and receive large amount of data in a corporate setting. With this connection, your computer is dedicated and directly connected to the internet using high-speed transmission lines. So when you require a internet connection at your home, then dial-up network is very suitable for you. When we talk about any industry, when we talk about any institute which consists of large number of computers, so you cannot connect an internet through modem through many different computers which are there in many numbers. So as a result, we can say that leased line connection is generally used in a corporate setting. With this connection, your computer is dedicated and directly connected to the internet using high-speed transmission lines. So difference between a dial-up network and a leased line connection is that a dial-up network requires a modem. On the other hand, leased line connection requires a high transmission lines. So high transmission lines are there which are used for the purpose of transmitting internet to the different computers. It is mainly used for corporate business companies located in large geographical area or long distance offices by connecting through point-to-point connectivity. So it is mainly used for corporate business companies. It means, example we can say, a company which is bigger in size, which consists of large number of employees, or which consists of large number of computers. At that particular place it is difficult to get a dial-up network, but you can connect the internet connections of all the computers through different transmission lines that we call it as leased line connections. So two circumstances are there. When computers are less, computers are one or two, then modem is the best way to connect internet. But when it is an institute which consists of large lab, computer lab, consisting of thousands of computers, it's difficult to connect all the computers through internet. So you required an leased line connection to connect with different computers. The advantage is that customer gets the exact bandwidth. So other important advantage is high speed. Dial-up networks may have less speed compared to a leased line connection. Leased line connection which is very high in bandwidth. It is a secure, dedicated and most expensive level of internet connection. Now next topic is called addressing. In that first one is IP addressing. IP means Internet Protocol. IP address is a fascinating product of modern computer technology designed to allow one computer or other device to communicate with another via internet. So ISP or IP means Internet Protocol. So every computers, every mobile phone is connected with an IP address. तो IP address का logic यही है. When you have an IP address, you can get the locations and the place of every computers. IP address एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके थ्रू आप ये पता कर सकते हो कि वो कौन से कंप्यूटर से जुड़ा हुआ है. IP एड्रेस का मतलब होता है कोई भी कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप जिसके थ्रू आप इंटरनेट कनेक्ट कर रहे हो वो कंप्यूटर का IP एड्रेस या उस कंप्यूटर में जो इंटरनेट आ रहा है उसका IP एड्रेस you can get.